What's up guys, it's Clay here from Verus Engineering, and today we are going to be installing our rear spat kit here on our VB Subaru WRX. Tools needed for this install: you will need a drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit, a ratchet with a 4 and a 5mm Allen socket or key if you want to use that, a 9/16 wrench, and a flathead screwdriver or a panel popping tool. Alright, what you're going to get with the kit, you're going to get 2 rear spats. They are mirror images, so you can install either or. You're going to get an assortment of M6 button heads and washers, as well as some rivet nuts and a rivet nut install tool. I'm going to do my best here to show you where I am working with. I have them removed already, but here, and here are going to be little pop rivets. You need to pop them out with your flathead. And then what we want to do is we want to actually pull the bumper out. And there's this black piece underneath. This is actually where we want to install the rivet nuts. You will want to open these up with the 3/8 inch drill bit. Like I said, 1, 2, and then pull this back as well. There's a third one here. So open those holes up with your 3/8 inch drill bit, and then we're going to install our rivet nuts. Now to install your rivet nuts, you'll want to utilize the tool here. As you can see, the serrated side is going to be touching the rivet nut because that's what's going to grab it and pull this. So using your 9/16 wrench, you'll hold back the tool here, and then you can use your socket head or socket tool here, and you're going to tighten. You'll feel initial resistance, and then once it starts installing, you'll kind of feel it get really hard. That's when you're going to want to stop, back it off, pull the bolt out in the install tool, and then go to the next one. When installing the rivet nuts, you do not want to install them on the actual bumper valance. If you do this, every time you need to remove the bumper, you're going to have to remove the rivet nut, and it includes drilling those out. So do not install it on this bottom part. Make sure it gets installed on the part above it. The other thing is here too, if you already have our rear diffuser installed, these side splitters are going to be a breeze. They actually install with the 3 same mounting points as our rear diffuser. So if you already have the rear diffuser, pop 3 bolts off, slap these up, pop 3 bolts on, and you're good to go. Now to install these on the car, really simple. Hold it up, probably start the middle one first. Get them all started by hand. Make sure you push all the bumpers back in place where they're supposed to be. Then once you get them all started, we can tighten them up. These are slotted just like the side splitters, so you do have some play. I'm going to install ours all the way out. As far as tightening torque, no more than 6 to 8 foot-pounds. That's obviously probably too much, but these are plastic, so if you keep cranking on it, it will indent the plastic. So just keep that in mind. If you're scared of them coming off, go ahead and use a little dab of red Loctite on each bolt. Well guys, that really is all it takes to install these. I'm going to go ahead and install our other side really quickly, and then we'll get you guys some photos. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the rear spats, make sure to comment in the section below or send us an email to sales@verus-engineering.com. And until next time, see you later.